Have you ever needed to count something quickly? Reps at the gym, people walking in, or how many cups of coffee you have had? Your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a hidden telecounter built right into the edge panel, and here's how to use it. First, you have to make sure that Tools panel is enabled. To do so, while your phone is unlocked, head into Settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Display. Tap Display. Scroll down the screen. Tap Edge panel. Tap Panels. Swipe through the panels and make sure to select Tools panels. Close the setting. Once the Tools panels is active, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel. Swipe through your Edge panel until you see Tools panels. By default, it displays compass. Next, tap three dots icon at the top right, and then select telecounter to show it on the panel. Here, you will see a simple interface with a plus and minus button to increase or decrease the count. Once you start counting, a reset button will appear so you can start over anytime. Tap the target icon to set a goal. Anything from 1 to 9,999. And then tap done button to save the target. When you reach your target, the phone gives you haptic feedback, and you can turn that on or off by tapping this vibration button. When this button turns blue, it means that the vibration is on. And that's it. Whether you are keeping score, tracking habits, or just counting things manually, the telecounter on your Galaxy S25 Ultra is a simple tool that gets the job done. No extra app needed, and always just a swipe away. Thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.